morning, YouTube. I look wrecked today and I feel wrecked today. Yesterday I started working out again and I did some weights and some ab workouts, and my back is fucked because obviously I didn't do them proper. That's not gonna stop me. So it's 10:30, starting a little later today. Oops. We're gonna work out. Okay, I just worked out. And now I'm making some breakfast. Some sausage, some eggs. I can make a coffee, and then I feel like journaling a little bit, but for some reason I don't feel like filming right now. So I don't know when I'll update you guys next, but that's what I'm up to while I'm gone. Okay, I apologize for not vlogging much today, and as I was editing yesterday's vlog, I realized I didn't vlog much yesterday either. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit more today. I'm currently making lunch and I think I'm gonna clean the house. If you guys watched Trevor's Twitch stream tonight, which was obviously yesterday or whenever you're watching this, Trevor actually put in his 2 weeks at his job today. And for the backstory for all those who don't know, Trevor hates his job with a fiery passion. He's always hated it, and I hate seeing him so unhappy. So he decided to put in his 2 weeks, and he's gonna be chasing his dream of Twitch streaming, which he's been doing amazing on, and then also doing some side work. So yeah, I'm really excited for him, and he's so happy. I can just tell by the way his voice changes just talking to me. My whole point in saying this is, I said yesterday I was going to journal every day. Today I'm gonna journal and manifest that Trevor is successful in his endeavors and gets everything he wants out of doing this. So I'm gonna do that. Why don't we as a society wear aprons while cleaning? I just had this idea. Low key, kind of fire. No one better hate on my apron because my Grammy made this. Ooh, oh, there's only one. Ooh, the boob part is up here, but my boobs are not. I'm gonna do the dishes and yeah, clean, start cleaning. Okay, I got this candle when I redid the bathroom, Marshmallow Suede. It's the most beautiful candle, and I think today I'm gonna finally light it, because you know that saying where you're like not supposed to wait to use good things on like certain occasions, because I don't know why, you're just not supposed to, because then they could go bad or something could go wrong. So I'm gonna light this bitch because you know what? I just cleaned and we deserve a celebratory candle. Thank you. And I have a feeling it's gonna smell really good. Oh my God, yeah. Okay, I'm taking care of my plants, and I had to move this one in here because it's my favorite plant, but I'm really bad at remembering to take care of them. So I just made like a crutch because this one broke in half, and I'm hoping I can still save it. But don't you have to like cut these parts off? I'm not sure. I have a feeling I might have to. So I'm gonna kind of prune this. At least get these dead parts off. I need to really massively water this. My thought process is if I keep this in here where I always see it, I'm gonna take care of it. So hopefully that thought process works. And it's nice to have green in here. Okay, now we're coming over here. Like I said, I'm not good at taking care of plants. I feel so bad. This one is really bad, but I just keep hoping that she'll come back. My thought is that plants really never die. Like, they can come back probably. This one's kind of on its deathbed. This is the clean living room. I moved that plant over there for more sunlight. And then I cleaned the kitchen, that's that corner. All clean in here. That candle smells amazing, by the way. And all the dishes are done and those are being washed. Caught in 4K, Trevor beating his meat.
Dude, what? Eating my meat on cam? That's
We're
crazy.
making dinner, so I'm gonna make some rice.
I was just washing the juices off it.
Excuse me?
Yeah. After you come get your stuff. Ooh, let's go. Oh my god, that looks delicious. I said I'm about to fucking chomp on this ass and then I'm gonna eat this food.
Dinner time, just simple chicken and rice with teriyaki. This is my little late night sweet treat. I'm so excited. I'm watching
I hope it's not her.
I had like 22 people in there earlier, which was crazy.
Ooh.